We've been told to study viral videos and copy what works, but what worked for a 20-year-old lifestyle creator won't necessarily work for you. And if you're a business creator, that advice is literally killing your business. I made this mistake with my clients for months. I studied all the viral contents in his niche, copied the trending formats and flashy edits, and nothing happened. Then I looked at this guy, James Smith, someone who's actually winning in the business coaching space. He has a channel over 400,000 subscribers, but he left that all behind and started a new channel, doing the exact opposite of what the YouTube gurus say and focus on what actually makes him money. So here's the thing nobody tells you. Almost all the YouTube advice comes from creators making content for entertainment. Lifestyle content, vlogs, challenges, and reaction videos. That audience wants the fast cuts. They want the high energy, the flashy edits. They want to be hooked every 5 seconds. So when these creators say hook the viewers in the first 3 seconds, that's to add pattern interrupts every 5 seconds or use jump cuts to keep attention, they are teaching you how to make entertainment content. But you're not making that. You're making educational content for business creators and business-minded people. So when you apply those entertainment tactics into business content, it feels off and people will notice that. Think about who you're trying to reach. Business coaches, consultants, entrepreneurs, people in their 30s, 40s, 50s, people who are busy and don't have time for bullshit. When they're going on YouTube looking for help in their business, they don't want to be tricked into watching your content. They want someone who gets straight to the point, deliver the value, and solve the problem. So when they see thumbnails with crazy effects and crazy facial expressions, they scroll past. It's a waste of their time. But when they see something simple and clear and talks directly to the problem they have, they click on it. So your audience has different expectations than teenagers on YouTube, and your content need to match those expectations. So if you can't copy entertainment content, who do you actually copy? Well, the answer is simple. You copy business creators. Find creators in your space who are actually getting clients, not just views, but actually building a business. Look at their thumbnails, their titles, and how they present on camera, and you know something. Almost all of them have simple thumbnails, simple titles that get straight to the point, and almost no editing. And they are doing the exact opposite of what other people say. That's what's working for business creators. Simple to minimal edits, clean titles and thumbnails, and calm, straight to the point delivery. And they're doing that not because it's trendy, it's because it matches their audience expectations. And by the way, if you want to see exactly what's working for other business coaches, I put together a free playbook that shows you exactly what videos you should be posting, and you can get that in the link in the description. So now you know why copying viral content is killing your channel. But knowing what not to do is only half the battle. You still need to know what videos to actually make. Watch this video where I break down the 3 types of videos every business creator needs to start getting clients from YouTube.